Hello everyone, my name is Marolin and I am a graphic designer. Currently, I have my graphic design degree and I am continuing my education at City Tech to pursue my bachelor's in communication design. I am currently living one of my lifetime goals at becoming a business owner. I recently opened my storefront in the Bronx, 1 block away from Yankee Stadium. There I hold creative workshops for people of all ages. My past work include a lot of freelancing at painting, logo design, photography, party decorations, invitations, flyers, video animation, and web design. I'm hoping to increase my skills so that I can provide better services at my business and become a creative director elsewhere at a bigger company to provide a better future for my family. If you would like to work with me or partner up, you can visit my website where I have all my contact information. I'm also listing them here below. Hope to hear from you soon.